Morphle, morph into a Christmas reindeer!
What a great shot! Boy, do I need a shave.
I don't think this will be a white Christmas, Morphle. But I know someone who can help us with that.
Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice.
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. We've found your earliest known relative, the cave.
Hi, Atmo. Can you make it snow in the city so we can have a white Christmas?
How am I going to get you to the museum? Better get a pecking.
Let's start here. Snow! Now let's make it snow in the whole city.
Hey, what's that big... Oh no! If the guy escapes, there goes my fame and fortune. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm trying to...
What are you building, Morphle?
Snowman!
Wow, that looks fun.
Tickets, please.
Oh no! I don't have a ticket for you. You gotta hide. One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just stow it up here. Night, steward. That doesn't Buster. Good idea. Let's get you in
Hi,
some good
Professor
blend in.
Rashid. Is something wrong?
Hi, Mila and Morphle. It seems like we will have a white Christmas after all this year. But this is just way too much. It's causing trouble in the city.
Oh, but don't worry, Professor Rashid. Atmo can melt away some of the snow.
Tickets, please.
Oops.
Oh no, Atmo is gone.
Let's get out of here.
Ah, I have an idea. With my latest invention, I can zap those snowmen to life. And with their brooms, they can sweep away all the extra snow.
This is my,
Great!
I'm from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, utterly charmed. I've been all over.
This is going great. But do you know who can get rid of the snow even faster?
May I?
A giant snowman! Morphle, morph into a bulldozer to collect snow for the snowman.
Now, put you...
Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Hi, Big Snowman. There is too much snow in the city. Can you help us clean up all the extra snow?
Now, we're going to dinner. You Everything's a game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. I couldn't agree more. Doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet!
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur.
What was that? Let's see what's going on, Morphle.
Are you two nuts?
Oh, this is
snowball hits the city, everything will be covered in snow again.
I knew you were
Morphle robot.
Let's ants crash. No. You're killing with me.
He wants to stay. He's the
Oh no! Morphle! Wow!
this train.
Santa!
May I see your...
And Atmo!
He's with me, Stuart. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once, so we can do it all over again.
Santa!
Oh, it seems we got back just in time, Atmo.
Was Atmo with you, Santa?
Yes, when I saw Atmo could create snow, I asked Atmo to help bring a white Christmas to lots of places all over the world.
Is that all it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these,
Living
you'll be
snowmen?
absolutely
Wow!
surprised.
Yeah! With Atmo gone, the snowman helped clean up all the extra snow. But with all the extra snow gone, the snowmen don't have a job anymore.
Well, I could use some help on the North Pole getting ready for Christmas. What do you say? Do you want to help me? Ho, ho, ho!